is Krista, and today I'm going to be making the basic chocolate cream pie found on page 986 of our On Cooking textbook. The first step is to make the pie dough. I am going to be using the basic pie dough recipe found on page 980 of our On Cooking textbook. For our mise en place, you are going to need 158 grams of unsalted butter chilled, 210 grams of pastry flour sifted, 40 milliliters of water, as well as 4 grams of salt.
You first want to cut the butter into the flour mixture until the desired consistency is reached. Then add the salt to the water and mix. Gradually add the liquid to the flour butter mixture. Mix gently until the dough holds together. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and chill thoroughly before using. After my dough had chilled, I rolled it out and cooked it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes.
Alright, it's been a few days, and I'll be honest, I had to redo my pie crust a few times because my glass pie pan kept making the sides go down. So I found out that using an aluminum pan helps them stay up, so that's what I did. Now I'm going to be making the filling for my pie. For the mise en place, I decided to cut the recipe in thirds, so this is what I need. 140 grams of sugar, 15 fluid ounces of milk, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, 48 grams of egg yolk, 45 grams of cornstarch, 40 grams of butter, 10 milliliters of vanilla, and 113 grams of bittersweet chocolate. I'm also going to be using a mixing bowl, a saucepan, as well as a whisk.
In a saucepan, dissolve 80 grams of sugar in the milk. Add the heavy cream and bring to a boil. Meanwhile, whisk the egg yolks and the remaining sugar together in a small bowl. Add the cornstarch and whisk until smooth. It should come out looking something like this. Temper the egg mixture with approximately half of the hot milk. Make sure you are constantly whisking so your eggs do not curdle. Stir the warmed egg mixture back into the remaining milk and return it to a boil. Add the butter, vanilla, and chocolate and mix. It should come out looking something like this. Then pour your filling into your pie crust and let it chill.
Alright, I've let my pie set, and now I'm going to cut you guys a piece. And here's a cut slice of it. I hope you guys enjoyed.